I always get a chuckle out of those ads where you see somebody trying to sell something and they list everything they fixed on their vehicle. I don't ever know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because you know, you can fix a lot of stuff and it's good, or why are you selling it if you fixed all that stuff? You know, it should be really good. So I thought I'd make this video, and I'm going to tell you everything I've worked on or fixed or monkeyed with on this pickup. We start in the back. Bumper, new tail lights, license plate lights, trailer hook ends, rear backup lights, new axle seals, brakes, new wheels and tires all around and different variations, new pinion seal, new diff cover, new diff fluid, new transfer case mounts, custom bed work here. As you can see, there's a hole, so I put new stuff to keep everything from falling out. Toolbox. Go inside here. Let's see. Door switches, dome light, light switch, dimmer switch. There's the lights for the backup lights, or switch for the backup lights, I should say. The extra gauges I've added, brake controller, what am I trying to say here? Horn switch, steering column switch, I don't know what you call that, for the blinker because it wouldn't shut off. All new gauges, or all new lights I should say, and the gauge cluster, radio, seat cover, new floor pans. I don't know if I said it, transfer case mounts, because the transfer case was wobbling all over. I got a transmission temp gauge there, new heater core. I think that's it for everything in there. Come over here, different lockout hubs, new ball joints, a little shit ton of U-joints, because you know Highboys love their U-joints. And under here, let's see, electrically, I've done new spark plugs, new wires, new cap, new rotor, new coil, points, I don't know if I said that, but it's been a shit ton of times on those. Starter, solenoid, a couple air filters, all new hoses, thermostat, doesn't have one, timing chain, can't remember if I put a cam in or not. So also new pump, coolant pump, stock radiator, hoses, rebuilt the transmission completely myself. Don't ever do that, that was a bad decision. Does shift really good now though. Tranny filter, added an extra tranny cooler, there was one already on here. New headlights, new marker lights, not all of them, just a few of them. New taillights, I don't know if I said that. Yeah. Oh, updated the steering, tightened up the steering, and I put a new brake booster on. By new, I mean from a different truck. Oh, don't want to forget windshield wiper blades. That would have been really bad if I would have forgot that one. Yeah, all in all, does that make it worth more or worth less? I don't know. I paid $600 for this truck, and it's probably been one of my best investments. I've done a lot with it, and I never sell it. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't drive it in the garden either. Why? We'll get stuck.